This is not fiction. This is a reconstruction of the night my life was destroyed by someone who had clearly abandoned his morals and any sense of humanity. South Jakarta, October 12, 2017. Venue. I thought I was safe there. I was with my friends. But turned out I was walking right into a trap. The perpetrator and my husband's friend. A few weeks after he raped me, he married his wife in this exact same place. The witness, a living corpse whose brain had died after weeks of swallowing down her pills. This is my story. I remember that night, I wore a long black cardigan with a black tank top and red pants. Casual. I did put on red lipstick on purpose so I'd stand out a bit more. But honestly, I shouldn't even have to explain what I was wearing. No one deserves to be raped because of their outfit, including me. That night, I felt comfortable and safe on my way to a fashion brand event at my friends would definitely be there too. I did not realize I was walking straight into hell. I didn't realize I was walking straight into hell. I did not realize I was walking straight into hell. The event was finished. Most guests have left. At the table, all the way at the end near the window, there was sitting there alone, staring at the DJ booth. And in the corner, there was he had just broken up with his longtime girlfriend, and during those weeks, he was on downers every single day. His eyes looked empty. It was almost 2 a.m. I had already had a few alcoholic drinks. I was still there because I wanted to ask to drive me home after he was done at the DJ booth. Since I happened to be sitting across from I decided to make small talk and ask about his wedding. Suddenly, my wrist was grabbed. It hurt so much. No, he didn't invite me. He dragged me by force. He dragged me past the front of the DJ booth, all the way to the window behind it. I tried to slow my steps, but I just kept getting pulled along. I even hit that thick glass window. I tried to scream, but no sound came out. The fear made me only able to move one of my hands toward me, hoping he'd understand that I needed his help when he glanced in my direction. But he didn't notice. He was lost in his own world under the influence of drugs. I was completely powerless because kept dragging me even though I tried to break free. 50 meters from the party, into a dark office. Only blue CCTV light visible. In my head, news of murders I'd seen kept running. Femicides. My instinct said, submit or die. Because I had no idea how insane this person was, or how far he was capable of hurting me. So when he told me to take off my clothes, with trembling hands, I just did. I just wanted to go home to my family alive. When he was done, he casually zipped up his pants as if he had just finished peeing. I even asked him, "You came inside?" He just gave me a psycho smile. Then he said to me, "If you get pregnant, don't abort it. Just tell Mono it's his child." Suddenly, the door was knocked. It turned out to be opened the door and just walked out. Then came in with a blank expression on his face. And I remember while walked out the door, I was yelling, "Why don't you just do me together with him?" On the way home, I was still in shock. I said to use me. He came inside. I have to tell Mono about this. Confused, as if he didn't believe what he just heard. No, don't. You don't have to tell him. Early in the morning, I walk into the room with heavy steps. I saw my husband Mono hugging our child Snow. They were sleeping soundly, looking so peaceful. And then there I was, carrying destruction into our home.